How to make a Capricorn man fall in love with an Aries woman. A relationship between a Capricorn man and an Aries woman is both fiery and grounded. The Aries woman's boldness meets the Capricorn man's calm determination, creating a unique dynamic of passion and stability. However, to truly make a Capricorn man fall in love with an Aries woman, understanding his nature is essential. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 7 simple yet powerful tips to win his heart. 1. Show your ambition. Capricorn men admire women with goals and persistence. Share your dreams and take steady steps toward them. When he sees your dedication, he'll feel inspired and connected to your purpose. 2. Be patient with his pace. He doesn't rush into love. Allow him to take his time to open up. Avoid pushing for instant results. His affection grows slowly but lasts deeply once it takes root. 3. Keep conversations meaningful. Capricorn men appreciate intelligence. Engage in thoughtful discussions about life, work, or values. Show curiosity and listen attentively. He'll notice your depth and sincerity. 4. Balance independence and care. An Aries woman's independence is magnetic, but balance it with tenderness. Let him know you can thrive on your own yet still value his presence and guidance. 5. Prove your loyalty. Trust is everything to a Capricorn man. Keep your promises, stay consistent, and be honest. When he sees reliability in you, he'll begin to see a lifelong partner. 6. Respect his sense of order. He likes plans and stability. Avoid unnecessary drama or sudden changes. By respecting his structured approach, you show emotional maturity that earns his respect. 7. Add passion without pressure. Aries energy can light up his world, but don't overwhelm him. Use your natural charm to bring excitement while giving him space to process his emotions. To make a Capricorn man fall in love with an Aries woman, combine your fiery enthusiasm with patience and trust. He values ambition, loyalty, and emotional stability, qualities that, when balanced with your passion, can create a strong and lasting connection. Together, you can build a relationship that blends adventure with deep devotion. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.